So dear students, we are to deal with subordination or the chapter of subordination, and we have tackled previously the last course the adverbial clauses and the adjectival clauses, and we are to continue with the noun clauses, the second course. So talking about adjective clauses or adjectival clauses, who can say something about adjectival clauses? What can you say about adjective clauses? What do we mean by adjective clauses? Can you, please? Who would like? Yes, please.
Adjectival clauses contains a subject and a verb that describe a noun in the main sentence.
Yes, very good. That's a good definition. So adjective clauses are subordinate or dependent clauses, and we have talked also previously about the difference between dependent clauses and independent clauses اللي احنا نسميها ايضا main clause اللي هي العبارة الأساسية. So the second question, what is the difference between a clause and a phrase? Again, to remind you, who would like? Yes, please.
A phrase is two or more verbs.
Words. Yes.
And clause is a sentence.
Should have a subject and
a verb.
Yes. So that these are the conditions for calling the fragment of a sentence as a clause. So adjective clause are subordinate or dependent clauses that have the same function, this is very important, the same function as a single word adjective. So you can substitute the single word adjective with an adjective clause, a full clause. Okay? They describe, this is important, describe or modify a noun or nouns in general. Sorry. So they describe, and these are the function of an adjective clause. Introductory words are called relative pronouns. These are the relative pronouns that we use as introductory words to the adjective clauses attached to the nouns in the sentences to give them full description or modification, a sort of modification following a noun. Keep in mind that these clauses are followed or can follow the nouns, they do not come previously. These are the introductory words, and we call them again, what do we call them? Introductory words or subordinators. Good. We call them again subordinates. For example, the man is a police officer. He lives next door. The man who lives next door is a police officer. Look at these two sentences which are separated from each other, while this sentence is one sentence subordinated by another clause. So who would like to point out where is the main verb in this sentence? The second one. The man who lives next door is a police officer. Where's the main verb for the full sentence? Yes?
The auxiliary is.
Yes, very good. So this is the main verb. Then this is the complement, and here we have the subject, right? What about who lives next door?
Is an adjectival.
Adjectival clause attached to the noun. Which noun? Who would like to point out? يا noun اللي attached إلى. Yes. The man اللي هو subject اللي هو nominal والhead word هي noun. هذه كلها عبارة عن تعريف للنون. يا man who lives next door. فإذا هي بها نوع من description أو modification. He is a police officer whom I respect very much. Look here, الأداة تغيرت عندنا صارت whom بدل ما استخدمنا هو، وكلها ملائمة طبعا للنون اللي قبلها اللي تسوي لها modification تكون مناسبة للاستخدام مع العاقل هنا. Okay? Whom I respect very much. Look here, we have another subject, another verb, and complement. So it is a full clause. Okay? We cannot call it a phrase. This is the main sentence. This is the dependent one. معتمدة على الأصلية. هذه المين. He is a police officer and I stop. It is a full meaning, full sentence. But I need more clarification for a part of this sentence, which is the police officer. Okay? Whom that police officer, whom I respect very much. Okay? Look here, last week, someone hit Ali's dog, which was only a puppy. Which was only a puppy. Last week, someone hits Ali's dog, which was only a puppy. Look at this sentence and try to point out where is the noun that is modified by another adjectival sentence. And where is the adjectival sentence? Or adjective sentence? Close, sorry.
The stuff.
Yes,
that,
please.
Which was only a puppy.
Okay, this is what?
The adjectival.
And what about the noun modified by this one? What is the noun? Yes, please, Abdul.
It's the dog.
The dog. Yes, thank you. So it is the dog. When I say hits Ali's dog, which was, look at the subordinator. شوف هنا الأداة اللي استخدمناها مناسبة للدوغ. Okay, قمنا animal and was only a puppy. هذا تعريف للدوغ. يا dog which was only a puppy. مو أي dog. فهذا الديسكربشن اللي احتاجه للاسم ويكون تابع له يعني طويل ما اقدر اختصره بصفه قبل الاسم، يعني لاحظوا هنا اليز دوغ ايضا يعني نوع من الموديفيكيشن للدوغ، لكن ما تكفي احتاج الى توصيف اخر فاتبعه، فهذا اي توصيف تابع او صفه تابعه تكون بشكل كلوز، ما ممكن اتي بصفه بعد الاسم بدون ما تكون كلوز. الصفة تسبق الموصوف in English صح؟ clever students for example، بس إذا أريدها تابعة شلون؟ يصير أقول student clever؟
No.
إيش راح أحتاج؟ أقول student
Who is clever?
very good. Who is clever? Okay? That's it.